The demands on our water resources and pressure on our water infrastructure have never been greater. The combination of rising costs, an aging workforce, deteriorating infrastructure, and impacts of climate change has made the task of managing our finite water resources one of our great present-day challenges, one that requires intelligent planning and operational efficiency. As an expert in water management, the world is looking to you to get this right. And whether the challenge is too much or not enough, Autodesk is here to help you manage every drop with comprehensive technology for all your water infrastructure needs. From stormwater to wastewater networks, treatment plants to distribution systems, asset management to data analytics, we can help reduce risk while delivering reliability, dependability, and performance. By utilizing Autodesk's end-to-end software solutions, you'll find efficiencies spanning all phases of the water asset lifecycle: planning, design, construction, operations, and maintenance. Autodesk's digital modeling tools and cloud-based solutions support increased collaboration, while reducing design time and rework, helping you create, analyze, and manage a resilient water infrastructure more efficiently and with better quality. Optimize land use with advanced design tools for sustainable drainage. Limit environmental and community impact with improved stormwater and wastewater planning and management. Deliver reliable and safe drinking water through better analysis. Improve operational efficiencies and system reliability through data analysis and optimization. Make informed decisions with streamlined asset condition, risk, and rehabilitation planning. These comprehensive technologies will help you get better, more desirable outcomes to ensure that water is everywhere it needs to be.